Hi everyone, and welcome back to my market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday, 4th of December. Let's have a look at cable, which has shot higher this morning on this European Court of Justice suggestion that Article 50 could be revoked unilaterally from by the UK. So subsequently, sterling has rallied strongly over 100 pips higher. The volatility surrounding any news flow on Brexit continues, and we've now got a rebound which has now broken the downtrend. Interestingly, yesterday the support held at 26.95. That was the November low, and October low, and held to pretty much to the pip and rebounded this morning, and it's now back above 28.25. 28.50 is the first real resistance of last week's reaction highs, and then you're sort of into the 29s after that. 29.25 being that reaction high from a couple of weeks ago. So you're starting to see sterling turning around again. These momentum indicators, which have been fairly benign really, even though the market has been drifting lower. It's been a pretty benign drift lower. And the RSI ticking back higher again. MACD lines also, stochastics. I mean, they are negatively configured, but not especially sort of disastrously negative in that regard. And the fact that we're sort of breaking this downtrend now through that level, looking to start to generate some upside momentum, is interesting. What you do tend to see, though, I would point out, is that pretty much all of these spikes higher in recent days or weeks have subsequently just sort of stopped really and then reversed. So that would be the fear, I suppose, that once this upside potential of this spike higher that we've seen starts to dissipate, then we could see that the market starts to reverse again, because sterling rallies have tended to be sold into through this Brexit process in the recent weeks. So that would be the caveat to the recovery that we've got. But certainly overheads resistance coming in at 28.50 and then 29.25 being the next levels. But yeah, I'd just be a little bit cautious about chasing this one. But for now, obviously this is a positive move, but can it be held is the question. So I wish you good luck in trading. I'll speak to you later.